This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that contains the image activity. This ensures you delete the right data. Once signed in, go straight to My Activity. Google.com and apply the product filter to choose images so you only remove picture-related entries. Make sure two-step verification is completed if Google asks. That prevents accidental cross-account actions. Early filtering saves time and reduces risk. So act now to isolate image activity and prepare to remove entries securely. Once you have only image results visible, use date range and product filters to narrow the list. This helps you target specific events versus bulk removing everything. You can tap individual entries to view details, check boxes to multi-select, or use delete results when you want to clear a whole period. Make use of the delete activity by option to set custom ranges or enable auto-delete, 3 months, 18 months, 36 months, so future image activity is removed automatically. This reduces manual upkeep. After deletion, verify by reloading My Activity and checking Google Photos and any sync devices. Deleting activity does not always remove stored photos from photos or device folders. Once done, empty trash in Google Photos if needed and sign out, then sign back in to confirm changes. Allow 24 to 48 hours for Google systems to propagate deletions. If images still appear, clear your browser cache, revoke device sync, and reauthorize. Or use account support. These steps fix common sync and caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.